DeepSearch AI App review. What makes this research tool so powerful? So DeepSearch AI has become a go-to app for people who need fast, accurate, and organized research results without digging through endless websites. It's built to take a simple query and turn it into a full structured breakdown, summaries, sources, explanations, and even follow-up insights, making it far more advanced than a standard search engine. But the interface is clean and minimal, which makes it easy to run searches, review results, and jump between topics. One of the app's biggest strengths is how it processes complex questions. Instead of giving you a list of links, it gives you clear answers, bullet point summaries, and context so you understand this information instantly. For student, content creators, and professionals, this saves time and removes all the guesswork. So DeepSearch AI also includes features like document analysis, long-form summarizations, and multi-source comparisons with help users dig deeper into topics without manually cross-checking everything. It's especially useful for research-heavy tasks like writing reports, doing academic work, or planning projects. Everything feels fast, accurate, and very easy to navigate. But there are a few things to know. Some advanced tools may require a subscription, and the app can occasionally return overly technical explanations for very simple queries. But for most users, the accuracy and clarity make up for it. Overall, DeepSearch AI is a powerful research companion that makes finding reliable information quick and effortlessly. If you want smarter research results, organized summaries, and an app that helps you understand complex topics in seconds, DeepSearch AI is absolutely worth checking out.